Hello, I'm Swati. Carrying forward the series on transfer pricing, we have tried to make the law simple and easy to understand for a common man. Taking this thought forward, let's discuss the meaning of international transaction. As per Section 92B of the Income Tax Act, international transaction means a transaction between two or more associated enterprises, either or both of whom are non-residents. The transaction may include purchase, sale, or lease of tangible or intangible property, provision of services, lending and borrowing of money, any other transaction having a bearing on profits, income, losses, or assets of such enterprises. A mutual agreement or arrangement between two or more associated enterprises for allocation or apportionment of or any contribution to any cost or expense incurred or to be incurred in connection with a benefit, service, or facility. Further, the section explains the inclusions for an international transaction and intangible property. While deciding whether a transaction is an international transaction or not, that must also be referred. There's another part in this section which explains deemed international transaction. A deemed international transaction is a transaction between one of the associated enterprise and a third party. If there exists a prior agreement in relation to the relevant transaction between the other person and the associated enterprise, or the terms of the relevant transaction are determined in substance between such other person and the associated enterprise. For example, if there are three parties, A, B, and C, of whom A and B are associated enterprise, whereas C is not. But if in any transaction between B and C, there exists a prior agreement between A and C, or the terms of the transaction are determined in substance by A, the transaction between B and C will be deemed international transaction. In a deemed international transaction, residential status of other person does not make a difference. That may be a resident or a non-resident. As a next step, we'll understand associated enterprises. So stay connected.